Well, this week, the Health Alliance for Austin Musicians made a big ask of the Austin City Council.
$500,000 to support their affordable health care program for musicians here in Central Texas. KVUE's Malia Masamoto has more on why this funding is so important for musicians right now.
For a city that has come to be known as the live music capital, Austin has a hard time keeping the musicians who have given it that title due to the high cost of living.
But there have been a lot of folks, particularly people of color, unfortunately, that have moved, out of the city.
But the Health Alliance for Austin Musicians wants to help.
We want to make sure that they're going to kind of contribute to the rich culture of Austin, and we want to sustain that, and we don't want to lose that.
This week, HAAM CEO Paul Scott asked the Austin City Council to give $500,000 in next year's general budget for health care for their musicians.
And the city's help would really support making sure there was continuity of support for our working musicians.
Regardless of changing insurance premiums, that funding would guarantee affordable health care. It's that kind of support that keeps Austin musician Scott Strickland strumming in the city.
I don't think I'd be playing music if it wasn't for HAAM.
Strickland says without HAAM support, his life would look a little different and a little less music focused.
I can tell you that I would probably have to have at least a part-time job that would probably qualify me for some sort of health insurance.
Working multiple jobs is something Strickland says is typical of musicians in Austin, but it takes the focus away from the artistry. And without that, Strickland says Austin will lose what makes it so special in the first place.
I don't want to see the artistry and what has made this city great for the last 50, 60 years go away because of all the change that's happening.
Now the recommendation goes to the city manager before it can go into the budget, and Austin musicians can keep playing without worries. In Austin, Malia Masamoto, KVUE News.